Hi guys, so this is Shruti and I've come up with another video today. So today I will be telling you about my favorite 5 lipsticks. I'm a huge fan of lipsticks as you can see in all my pictures. Like for me, makeup has always been about lipsticks. So yes, without wasting any time further, let's start. So let's start with the first shade which I'm wearing right now. It's by Sephora. So this is the bottle and the shade is 41. It's by the collection Cream Stain. And the shade number is 41 and the shade is Vintage Rosewood. So guys, as you can see it on my lips, it gives a full coverage and it's a beautiful dusty rose shade and it's highly pigmented, so you just have to swipe once and you're good to go. So I would highly recommend this lipstick and it's really nice, it's pigmented and it won't transfer. So yes, this is Sephora shade number 41. So another favorite lipstick of mine is by PAC. It's by the collection Sweet Sensation Lip Cream. And if you're a nude lipstick fan, trust me guys, this is one of the best nudes you can have. It's a beautiful peachy nude shade which you can see it on my lips. It gives a full coverage and it's highly pigmented. The only disadvantage or the con you can say of this lipstick is that it does wash out after a couple of hours, but then it is worth the price. The lip shade is super smooth on your lips. It keeps your lips hydrated and your lips feel so lightweight. Like the lipstick is so moussey in texture and so velvety. So I think it's a daily wear lipstick and you can use it whenever you want. Like it's a must have. So guys, if you like pink lip shades, then this is one lipstick which you can go for. This is by Nykaa and the shade is Hustle and it's by the collection Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick. So as you can see, the packaging is really cute and there's a cushion on the top. So one dab of good lip shade and you're good for anything. So this is again highly pigmented, but as it says, it's a matte lipstick, but it does not give you the feel of a matte lipstick. It gives you a very soft texture on your lips and it feels like nothing is there on your lips. You feel like nothing is there on your lips and you're wearing nothing actually. So yes, it feels super comfortable on the lips. You can also use it on your cheeks as a cheek tint. So it can be used for both for your lips and your cheeks. So yes, it is very easy on your pockets also. So if you like something like this which is not in matte finish, which is not very bright pink, then yes, you can go for Nykaa Hustle shade. It's by Wonder Puff. People say if you have nothing to wear, you can wear red, and this is what I do most of the times. So this is one of my favorite reds, if you can see, and this is by Maybelline Lip Gradation and the shade is red too. And guys, trust me, this lipstick is so easy to apply. It comes with a cushion to wipe away the extra lipstick which is there on your lips. And it's very easy to apply. It's highly pigmented and it does stay for 6 to 7 hours easily. And if you can see, it's just one swipe lipstick. You just have to apply it once and you just have to dab it and it's good to go. So yes, this is one red lipstick which I really like and I prefer to wear it whenever I go for parties, office wear, or whenever you're comfortable to wear this. So yes, it's by Maybelline Lip Gradation. I highly recommend this one. So guys, the last lipstick which I want to show you from my collection is by Smashbox Driver's Seat. And trust me, it's one of those classic lipsticks which you would not regret having. It's a beautiful peachish pink color and as you can see, single swipe of this lipstick keeps the lipstick fresh for 6 to 8 hours. That even after 6 to 8 hours, the lipstick feels as fresh as the first swipe. And it's super pigmented and it's transfer proof, you can see it. And it's water resistant too. And it's a beautiful shade. It does not wash out easily and you can wear it for all day long. This is a lipstick which will go on all the complexions, all skin tones, and trust me guys, it's a must have. It's a little expensive, but yes, it's totally worth the price. So yes, I would highly recommend this one too. So yes, this is Driver's Seat by Smashbox.